Howdy there, partner. Yeehaw! Today, we're looking at the Gigabyte Z390 Master. We got the box right here, so let's open it up. Don't forget to smash that sub button and ring that bell so you don't miss our videos and all the sweet tech stuff we're doing. Hit it! If you guys remember a few weeks ago, we took a look at the Gigabyte Z390 AORUS Pro Wi-Fi. We've shown you on the lower price point of the Z390 series. And hey, a lot of you gone, "Hey Steve." I'm like, "What's up?" They're like, "That's cool, but what about the Master Series board, the Z390? Do I want to be a Master or Pro?" I'm here to answer that question for you today. So before we dive into this team, let's quickly talk about the Gigabyte Z390 series. Hopefully helps you make your decision. First off, the Z390 boards as a whole, think of this as a bridge between generations. No, not a bridge for grandparents and their grandkids to cross, but a bridge between Intel generations, 8th and 9th. If you're upgrading and you already have the 8th gen or 9th, the Z390 board is the way to go. Now the different levels and features of the board. Gigabyte has new names for the motherboard models. We already have the Elite Pro and Ultra, optimized for gaming, and the Master and Extreme, which is the next step up geared towards more enthusiasts and water-cooled users. The current lineup offers a wealth of options and features for different kinds of users, from the casual gamer up to professionals and creators. Gigabyte has you covered. Quick tech fact! Z390 naming refers to the chipset that the board, aka the CPU generation, the motherboard supports. Much like there being a B series board, an H series board for more of entry-level gaming, the Z series is geared more towards enthusiasts and builders and overclockers, so you'll be using specifically the K series Intel processor. Alright guys, now let's unbox this large lad and check it out. Alright guys, now let's hop over to some of the features of the Master Z390 board. It has a lot to offer. For you audio junkies out there, the Master Z390 board has a built-in DAC that allows you to have 7.1 analog surround sound. So if you guys remember a few weeks ago when we talked about headsets, we had the Razer Tiamats we featured. This motherboard will support it out of the box. The built-in DAC has a 125 decibel signal to noise ratio, giving you a crisp sound, and all these cool features you don't require to buy an additional sound card for. Whew! Let's talk about those ports we got. Woo! We have 4 dedicated USB 2.0s on the back, 2 USB 3.1s with special clean power delivery for high-end audio equipment or sensitive USB instruments such as your VR headset. We have 3 USB Type-A 3.1 and 1 USB Type-C port for ultra high-speed transfers. Of course, we also have an Ethernet port on the back, dedicated Wi-Fi built-in using Intel 9462 chips to also allow Bluetooth 5.0. This new Intel 9462 supports the Wi-Fi AC 160 MHz band to achieve up to 1.73 gigabytes per second data transfer rate. Wow! Much like other high-end motherboards, it has a main and backup BIOS, which is handy to have in case a disaster strikes. It also includes 8 fan headers to keep you cool, or in my case, for all 8 of my fans. Hi Mom, and the other 7 of you. 3! You heard me? 3 Gen 3! Are we talking Pokemon here? No? Okay. 3 Gen 3 M.2 slots, and the ability to set them as RAID for extra protection, and 6 SATA connectors. This means you've got crazy options for storage. This is actually really sick. That's like hard drives for days. So, of course, for RGB nerds out there, there's 2 dedicated RGB headers on the motherboards ready to light up your life. Like this. For you overclockers out there, it supports overclocked RAM for DDR4 up to 33 MHz. This is getting to the upper limit of what DDR4 can do. Overclock fanatics, listen up. The AORUS Z390 Master board features dual 8-pin connectors to deliver the maximum power demanded by high-end Intel 9th gen processor. Speaking of overclocking, with the Intel naming conventions, the K series simply means you can overclock it. Perhaps a future video explaining the processor names is due. Let me know what you guys think. So now that we've shown off 2 of the Z390 boards by Gigabyte, are you more of a lord of the Wi-Fi with the gaming Wi-Fi, or master and commander of the high seas of the Master Series board? I made really bad jokes and I expect to get roasted. So let me know which team you guys are on. So that's it for this week. You guys know the drill. Follow us on Facebook and Twitter at Memory Express. Instagram is Official Memory Express. Don't forget to sub to us. Smash the little bell icon to know when we drop a video. We love it when you guys drop comments, especially when you guys roast me and have a good time with it. Of course, guys, you know where to find us online. Right here. Every week. Delivering high octane, premium content for you guys. I'm like the spaghetti of YouTubers. I think. At least, that's what my mom tells me. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget about MEXP, guys. You know what's up for grabs this month. The Kanto speakers. We have 2 lucky winners. So, don't forget to comment. Let us know what you think. I'll see you guys next video. I should probably stop doing finger guns. I'm not licensed.
I squeeze your head.
You tried to. Almost died.